telling me?
I'd like a little coffee here, please. What are you, deaf? Can I get a little coffee, please?
What's up, guys? Welcome to Bam's Closet. I know it's been a while, but let's get the show on the road. Today I'm coming at you with an unboxing. StockX. I ordered some SBs. Hopefully it's the right thing. See if it's legit. So far, packaging, it's alright. Nothing crazy. Original box, that's what's up. I was just in California with my friend, and when I was just scrolling, I was like, you know what? I wanted some SPs for a while, and I wanted to see what I could pick up, just because, you know, I was leaving Cali. StockX card. I don't know if you can see what it says. StockX sticker. Oh, this is just a receipt and my order number. I don't know if y'all really want to see that. Well, these are dead stock too. Never worn, brand new. Got the StockX verified tag. I don't know if y'all can see this, but I don't know if you can see the sticker. See? Brand new. I like them. I never had a pair of SBs. I always wanted some since I was in high school. And that was a long time ago. I'm more of a mid or a high top type person, but I thought this colorway was pretty dope, so I had to grab them. These are Air Force 2s SBs. I got them for cheap. I got them for 40 bucks, but you know, with shipping and all that, it was $53.95. I'm happy with this purchase. Hopefully I have more unboxings, whether it's sneakers or any other products. I'm gonna try to get some more videos out to you. You know, hopefully once a week. But since I'm coming back, maybe it'll be sporadic. But all in all, I'm really happy with this purchase. Can't wait to make more videos. Hopefully there'll be some heat coming your way. So this is a little short vid, you know, just a welcome back to myself. And yeah, leave any comments, leave anything you want to see, whether it's DIYs, I don't know, product reviews, and maybe vlogs, who knows. But thanks for watching. Please come back to Bam's Closet. And I appreciate the love. Bye.
Yo, big man, if you want respect, you gotta earn it.